welcome back to Talk to Me in Tagalog. Today, let's study the prefix magkasing, which is used in Filipino adjectives to express equality or similarity between two subjects in terms of a specific quality. Magkasing. The prefix magkasing in Tagalog functions similarly to the English word equally when attached to the root of a Tagalog adjective. It conveys the idea that two things or people share the same level or degree of a particular quality. So the structure that you need to remember is magkasing plus Tagalog adjective. But before we move on to the words, please note that magkasing has two other variants depending on the first letter of the adjective root. The prefix magkasing remains unchanged if the first letter of the root word starts with K, G, H, Y, W, or any of the vowels A, E, I, O, and U. Magkasing then changes to magkasim if the root word starts with the letter B or P. Lastly, magkasing changes to magkasin if the root word begins with D, L, R, S, and T. But don't worry about it too much because using magkasing for all adjectives is always acceptable. Let's start with root words that begin with vowels or the consonants K, G, H, Y, W. Magkasing asim. The root word asim means sourness, so magkasing asim means equally sour. Magkasing asim. Magkasing alat. Magkasing alat. Equally salty. Magkasing init. Magkasing init. Equally hot. Magkasing kinis. Magkasing kinis. Equally smooth. Magkasing kulay. Magkasing kulay. Of the same color or having the same color. Magkasing ganda. Magkasing ganda. Equally beautiful. Magkasing gaan. Magkasing gaan. Equally light in weight. Magkasing gaspang. Magkasing gaspang. Equally rough. Magkasing gulo. Magkasing gulo. Equally messy. Magkasing guwapo. Magkasing guwapo. Equally handsome or equally good looking. Magkasing haba. Magkasing haba. Of equal length. Magkasing hirap. Magkasing hirap. Equally difficult. Magkasing yabang. Magkasing yabang. Equally boastful or equally arrogant. Magkasing yaman. magkasing yaman, equally rich. Let's now take a look at adjective roots that start with B and P, where the prefix magkasing changes to magkasim. Magkasimbagal, magkasimbagal, meaning equally slow. Magkasimbango, magkasimbango, equally fragrant. Magkasimbaho, magkasimbaho, equally stinky. Magkasimbait, magkasimbait, equally kind, nice, or well-behaved. Magkasimbilis, magkasimbilis, equally fast. Magkasimbigat, magkasimbigat, equally heavy or of the same weight. Magkasimpait, magkasimpait, equally bitter. Magkasimpangit, magkasimpangit, equally ugly. Magkasimpayat, magkasimpayat, equally thin or equally slim. Magkasimpogi, magkasimpogi, equally handsome. Let's now study adjective roots that begin with D, L, S, R, and T. This time, the prefix magkasing changes to magkasin. Magkasindali, magkasindali, equally easy. Magkasindami, magkasindami, of the same quantity or number. Magkasindumi, magkasindumi, equally dirty. Magkasinlakas, magkasinlakas, of equal strength. Magkasinlaki, magkasinlaki, of equal size. Magkasinlalim, magkasinlalim, of equal depth. Magkasinlambot, magkasinlambot, equally soft. Magkasinlamig, magkasinlamig, equally cold. Magkasinlayo, Magkasinlayo. Of equal distance or equidistant. Magkasinliit. Magkasinliit. Equally small. Magkasinsarap. Magkasinsarap. Equally delicious. Magkasintaba. Magkasintaba. Equally fat. Magkasintamis. Magkasintamis. Equally sweet. Magkasintangkad. Magkasintangkad. Of equal height. Magkasintibay. Magkasintibay. Equally sturdy or equally durable. Magkasintigas. Magkasintigas. Equally hard. If you want to describe more than two subjects sharing the same quality, simply repeat the syllable ka in magkasing so it becomes magkakasing plus the adjective root. Magkakasing. For example, magkakasing alat. Magkakasing alat. Equally salty. Magkakasing haba. Magkakasing haba. Of equal length. Magkakasing yaman. Magkakasing yaman. Equally rich. Magkakasimbango. Magkakasimbango. Equally fragrant. Magkakasinlaki. Magkakasinlaki. Of equal size. Magkakasintangkad. Magkakasintangkad. Of the same height. Now you know how the comparison of equality works in Tagalog adjectives using the prefix magkasing. This word list is just part 1 of the topic. We'll use these magkasing adjectives in sentences in another video. Maraming salamat po!